Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Scout. Smoking your own meat at home is not just fun, it is also incredibly delicious. And honestly, you do not need a fancy backyard or expensive gear to do it. Whether you are working with a small kitchen, a balcony, or a full outdoor setup, there is definitely a smoker out there that will fit your space and style. What kind of smokers should you go for? Charcoal smokers give you the best flavor, but they take a bit more time and attention. If you want something easier, gas smokers are simple to use and keep the heat steady, but you might lose a little of that smoky flavor. If you're looking for the most convenient option, electric smokers are safe, easy to use, and still give you great results. Some are even small enough to fit on your kitchen counter, so no matter what kind of cook you are, hands-on, low effort, or space-saving, there is a smoker out there for you. The real question is, which ones are actually worth it? And we have a little surprise for you. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving away one of the products we reviewed, valued between $200 and $500. All you need to do to enter is click the subscribe button. If you are ready, let us take a look at 5 of the best smokers you can get right now. Number 5. Weber 18-inch Smoky Mountain. Best for beginners. If you're just getting into smoking and wondering, where do I start? This model might be the right pick for you. At first glance, the Weber Smoky Mountain looks simple, but it actually delivers solid performance. It has a compact size, about 20 inches wide, but surprisingly, it gives you a lot of cooking space. You get 481 square inches, spread across 2 stacked grates. That is more than enough for small family dinners or weekend hangouts with friends. As for build quality, it is made from solid steel with a porcelain coating, just like Weber's classic kettle grills. So yes, it is built to last. Setting it up is pretty easy. You just add charcoal, throw in a few wood chips, fill up the included water pan, and you are good to go. But here's the thing. You will need to watch the fire and adjust the airflow as you go. Keeping the temperature steady takes some effort and patience, but that is actually part of what makes it fun. Based on user reviews, this smoker can give you amazing results once you get the hang of it. Sometimes it might not go perfectly, but that is part of the learning process. If you enjoy being hands-on and figuring things out as you go, this is a great smoker to start with. Number 4. Pit Boss PBV3 Best Gas Smoker. If you are someone who says, I do not want to deal with charcoal, but I still want real barbecue, then the Pit Boss PBV3 might be just what you need. This vertical smoker runs on propane and makes the whole smoking process much more practical. It has 4 cooking racks, and in the tests that were done, there was plenty of space for all kinds of meats. Wings, ribs, you name it. The chicken wings came out with a crispy skin and juicy meat inside. The smoke flavor was light but balanced, which made for a very enjoyable bite. The ribs had a similar result, tender, juicy, and with just the right amount of smokiness. Of course, gas smokers work a little differently. Inside the Pit Boss, there are 2 separate burners. One stays on to ignite the wood chips and create smoke. The other one turns on and off to keep the inside temperature stable, just like a regular gas oven. Both burners are controlled with a single knob, but the instructions are not very clear about how everything works. So, getting the settings right might take a bit of trial and error at first. But once you dial it in, it runs smoothly. It heats up quickly, starts producing smoke right away, and then holds a steady temperature. It is a great option for anyone trying a gas smoker for the first time. It is easy to control, and the results are genuinely impressive. Number 3. Masterbuilt 30-inch Electric Smoker. Best Electric Model. If you're thinking, I do not want to deal too much with smoke, I just want something simple, then this model might be perfect for you. The Masterbuilt 30-inch Electric Smoker stands out as one of the easiest models to use. There is almost no setup required. You just attach the legs, place the digital screen, and it is ready to go in a few simple steps. This 30-inch model offers a total of 711 square inches of cooking space. Thanks to its 4-rack system, you can cook meat, vegetables, even fish, all at the same time. The best part? No charcoal, no fire. All you need to do is add a handful of dry or pre-soaked wood chips into the side tray. Depending on the temperature you set, you may need to refill it about once every hour, and that is it. You adjust the heat from the digital panel and let the smoker do the rest. In tests, this smoker cooked fish, meat, and even vegetables evenly. Everything came out nicely browned on the outside and perfectly cooked inside. And since there is a glass door, you can check on your food without opening the smoker. That helps keep the heat in and improves your results. In short, if you want a smooth and hassle-free smoking experience, this 30-inch electric model will not let you down. Number 2. Pit Barrel Cooker Classic Drum Smoker, Best Charcoal Smoker. If you're looking for a charcoal smoker and love that classic barbecue vibe, the Pit Barrel Cooker Classic might be just what you need. The design is very simple, but do not let that fool you. It is definitely effective. Picture a big barrel lined with porcelain on the inside, lightweight but solid. You can cook by hanging your food on hooks or use traditional grates. Either way, it gives you flexibility. Setting it up is super easy. Seriously, just open the lid, place a few parts, and you are ready to go in under 2 minutes. In tests, this smoker delivered some of the juiciest chicken among all the charcoal models. The skin was not rubbery or soggy, it was cooked just right. The same goes for wings and ribs. The smoke flavor was bold but not overwhelming, and the taste was well balanced and impressive. Now, here is a heads up. This smoker does require a little patience. Managing heat in charcoal might be a bit challenging, especially for beginners. There is no dedicated fuel tray, so if you need to add charcoal, you have to lift the lid and take out the cooking grate. Airflow control also takes some trial and error. For example, we found that placing the charcoal on the opposite side of the air inlet helped keep the temperature more stable. Compared to an electric or gas smoker, this one definitely takes more effort. But if you are the type of person who enjoys getting hands-on with the process and really dialing in the flavors, the Pit Barrel Cooker will not let you down. Number 1. Traeger Pro 575 Best Pellet Smoker. Whether you're just getting into smoking or you have been standing over smoky grills for years, the Traeger Pro 575 is an easy, low-stress option. It keeps the temperature steady, gives you consistent smoke, and is one of the most solid pellet smokers you can get for under $1,000. One of the most important things in any smoker, or any grill that you use for hours at a time, is how well it holds heat. If the temperature keeps jumping around, it becomes really hard to cook your food just right. We tried a bunch of different brands, and while most of them did a decent job, the Traeger really stands out. It is built with thick steel and stays within about 5 degrees of the temperature you set. It gives you 575 square inches of cooking space and runs on wood pellets. One of the best parts, you can control the temperature with Wi-Fi through your phone or tablet. That means you can kick back and relax while your food smokes. Just keep in mind that if your grill is too far from your router, you might have some connection issues. Now, it is not perfect. The LCD screen could be easier to use, and the grill is not modular, so you cannot really upgrade it with extra parts. It also does not come with a lot of accessories. But if your main goal is to smoke and grill your food low and slow without trying to sear at super high heat, then this model is one of the most durable and reliable ones out there. That is why we think it is worth the extra cost. If you're looking to get started with a pellet smoker, the Traeger Pro 575 is definitely a smart pick. The smoker models we showed you today might look different from each other, but they all have one thing in common. They are great tools to help you become a better cook. Whether you are working on a small balcony or out in a big backyard, these machines do more than just cook meat. They teach you patience, care, and how to bring out real flavor. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you. If you have a favorite model that did not make our list, be sure to share it. If you're looking to buy one, check out the links in the description for more details and the best current deals. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We are also doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Do not miss your chance to win. Take care, and see you in the next one.